Hey friends, if you wish to download Ethernet drivers for Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now, here's what you have to do. First of all, search for Device Manager, open Device Manager, expand the list for network adapters, find the Ethernet driver, right click and update it. Okay, this is one method. Now, obviously, if it doesn't work, then search for your brand website and then search for the specific drivers. Okay, and then you will get this option for the LAN drivers. Since I have an Asus computer, if you have an HP or a Dell computer, search for its website accordingly, and then you can download it from the company website. Okay, and another thing that you can do is to right click on the start button, select settings, go to the Windows Update tab, select advanced options in the right pane, install all the optional updates, return to Windows Update and click on check for updates. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.